How to change your date of birth in Instagram. Hello everybody, my name is Smile, here to guide you through the way. So to know how you can change the date of birth in your Instagram, just follow the following steps and watch the video till the very end. Make sure that you go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. On the search bar you can search for Instagram. If there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Instagram. It is very important because if you don't update the latest version of Instagram, then you might miss out some of the features. After you go Instagram, just tap on your profile and on the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical lines. And now just tap on account sender. After you tap on account sender, you can simply tap on personal details. And here you see the birthday. And now you can simply edit your date of birth just like this. And after editing the date of birth like this, you can simply set it and tap on the save button. I don't want to change it, but you can change it by just changing it. Tap on set button and tap on the save button, which is on the blue icon. So like this, you can change or edit your birth date in Instagram account. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Suggest more videos like this in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.